Hello, this is Arvi. And in this video, we're going to look at our weekly and daily cycle analysis for Altria, that symbol MO. For those who missed the news that came out on Monday afternoon, the White House is looking at a reduction in the levels of nicotine in traditional cigarettes, and they're also, in lieu of that, possibly also looking at a ban on menthol. That news sent Altria shares lower, and you can see the big bearish bar we have here on the weekly time frame. If we shift over to our cycles, you can see that on an intermediate term, we had been in this rising phase, and we have likely formed an intermediate term high here versus this old cycle high at 51.78, and are now entering into a corrective period here on the downside. The next low is due 426 to 7.5. Let's go ahead and look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we actually did this weekly and daily work for a member in recent days, and I wanted to share this update here given the large sell-off that we've had. So we were looking for a short-term bottom to form. The short-term low was due 413 to 429, and we have the makings of an exhaustion gap here on the downside, and that forms when you get first off a gap versus the close, such as what we had here. And then you get this bull bar back on the upside, which is this white bar, and you also have very high volume. What this really is just basically a sellout in the short term, and you look for a rally off of this level. Now, this also lines up with our daily cycle timing, so all of this does favor a rally here in the short term. In the short term, we're looking for a test of this short-term 61.8 at around 49.76. And then we will look for this to roll back down on the downside. Why? Because if we shift back to our weekly, we are likely in this corrective phase here on the intermediate term. So I hope that makes sense. If not, feel free to enter any comments in the comments section, and I'm happy to answer them. If you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button on YouTube, and you can also go ahead and sign up for our channel. We do post fresh content throughout the week. If you're interested in learning more about all that we do at askSlim, please head over to askSlim.com. And lastly, if you're interested in learning more about our trial offers, please write to Matt at askSlim.com. Thanks again, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.